I initially called Guardian looking for a quote on gutter cleaning because it's been a while since I had my gutters cleaned. They sent out an individual to take a look. He was very polite, inspected my gutters, gave me a reasonable quote, and very professional because actually he did a little additional investigation and found out that some of my bathroom vent had been leaking moisture into my attic. Water was actually coming in and it had damaged some of the wood, and gave me a quote on additional repairs that I didn't know I needed but were structurally important to my house. So it was useful. I decided to schedule cleaning and repairs with Guardian. They came in 2 appointments. Both times they were very timely. That was nice. I worked from home, and I didn't even notice that they were honestly here working on things, but they fixed everything, got the cleaning done, took care of everything really well. Yeah, it was a great experience, and I definitely recommend Guardian for whatever roofing services that you need.